Hey, what's up everybody? This is a video that's going to be on a very simple recipe for some dishwasher detergent. This is a way you can make some detergent with much less chemicals, make it at home, and it's cheaper too. So what it is it's 1 cup of borax mixed with 1 cup of washing soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of kosher salt. So we'll start with the borax. 1 cup. And 1 cup of soda. Half a cup of citric acid. Then half a cup of kosher sea salt. Mix it up real good. Sometimes the citric acid gets a little clumpy, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Just try to mix it up. Alright, now fill up your 1 quart mason jar. A handy trick that I figured out was to write the recipe on the lid so you never have to look it up again in black Sharpie marker. And then you can also write it on the bottom of the jar in case it rubs off the lid. I wrote the recipe on the bottom of the jar. So it's on 2 spots on the jar. I'll never lose that recipe again. So, let's see if I can get this in here without making too big of a mess. Actually, it's about perfect for 1 quart jar there. So there you go. And then what I use is 1 tablespoon serving. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons for each load of dishes. Seems to work pretty good. There you go. There's your homemade dishwasher detergent.